Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing okay during this COVID-19 quarantine, and I want to share some cards that I made. I made this face mask card for my niece. It's her birthday and it's happening during this time, so I thought I would make this card since wearing masks now is part of our daily life. So this is the card. I followed a tutorial by CardCutups. I will link it below. I saw his video and I thought the mask cards were so cute, so I decided to make my own. You can watch his video and see how he made them. I printed this sentiment from my computer and I just glued it here. I put some chipboard underneath to give it some dimension. All the materials I used are from my stash. I used paper and supplies that I already had. It says, "It's your birthday, smile under your mask." So this is the mask. And inside I just put a cake sticker and this cut apart that I already had. And then I'm gonna write a message for her here. Okay, and that's the back. So I made 4 cards. I'm going to show you the other 3. I also made this card, which is for my sister-in-law. It's also her birthday. And it says, "Feliz cumpleaños, sonríe debajo de tu máscara." So it says the same thing to "It's your birthday, smile under your mask." So I make this mask for her. So I used some gold foil, and inside I put this cut apart. I'm also going to write a message for her here. This is the back. Okay, I also like this card, and I'm using the same 1/8 of an inch ribbon for all the cards. And I made this other card for my other niece, and it says, "Smile under your mask." So I used some mermaid paper for this one. This is what it has inside. "Ride a unicorn, swim with mermaids, and chase rainbows." And then this other mermaid paper on the back. And I made this other card, which I'm going to send to a friend. And it just says, "Smile under your mask." So I'm just sending it to her as a hello card. So smile under your mask. And then inside it says, "Life is beautiful." And I just put this on the back. Okay, this one I made it with pink paper. Okay, so these are the 4 mask cards that I did. I love how the cards turn out, and all the masks are so cute. They're so small and they're all different. So I really liked doing these cards. So go check out CardCutups and follow his tutorial. Everyone just take care during this time and stay safe. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.